Yeah? Huh? 11. Yeah, I got this. Hi guys, we are here at Leisureplex. My two little girls and their friend Oyen came to play, so let's watch how they will play. Yes, so, yes, so, yes, so, yes, so, yes, so. Superstar. Good job, Oyen. Two. Smashed 8 and excellent. Smash 8, excellent got 3. Awesome hasn't gotten. Let's see. Excellent second turn. Oh, what did you do? Wow! It's a nice one. Go awesome, go awesome, go awesome. Oh yeah. Okay, 1. Go Oyen, go Oyen, go Oyen, go Oyen, go Oyen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Good job. Go. Go Oyen, go Oyen, go Oyen, go Oyen. Yeah, 2. That's beautiful. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. 8. Good. That's grand. That's grand. She smashed it. Yeah, renewed. Go awesome. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, you tried. 4. Good! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Wow, Oyen, that's good! Wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. These girls are doing great. Good job. Good job, I see. Your own will be running slow, but it will hit all of them at last. I don't know. That's the magic. Good job. Lazy girl. But she will win. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, only one. Ah. Good job. Wow. How she will just shoot the thing with her hand. Wow. This is their last score. Oyen won with 73, S-Lane 63, Awesome 54. Yeah.